Square root of 18. So they want us to simplify the square root of 18. I don't know if you've ever seen how this works. Let me help you. Square root of 18. What you do is you break it down like a factor tree. We did that in one of our earlier units. And then the 9 is 3 times 3, right? You break it down as far as it'll go. We've done that. And so it is 2 times 3 here. Let me, a little more room here. It's 2 times 3 times 3. So that's the breakdown of the square root of 18. Now, what do you do from here? Well, these 2 3s inside, they send 1 3 outside, and then they're gone. And the answer to our question is 3 square root of 2. That's actually the answer. You got to use the little tool. They have a tool on the homework problem that lets you put in the square root. 3 square root of 2. Now, what happened there? Let me talk a little bit more about what just happened. The way I teach it is I teach that square roots are a 2-for-1 deal. It's like shopping at Target. 2 for 1. Things are on sale 2 for 1, meaning 2 3s inside send 1 3 outside. They vanish. Then they vanish. That's what happens. 2 3s inside send 1 3 outside, and then they cancel out. They're gone. All that's left inside is the 2 because there were not 2 2s inside, so we couldn't send any outside. It's a 2-for-1 deal. It's just like shopping at Target or any store. I don't know why I always use Target. It's just a common store. 2-for-1 deal. Right? If you go to Target and things are on sale 2 for 1, you can buy 2 of them, right? You can buy 2 of them, go out of the store, having paid the price for only 1, but both of them are now removed from the store. So that analogy works. It's a 2-for-1 deal. Square roots are a 2-for-1 deal. That's how we always handle square roots. Now, I don't like to do math like it's magic. That's kind of, right now I'm kind of doing magic-y stuff. It's just 2 for 1. It's like Target. That's okay. I mean, that helps you remember it maybe, but I really want to show you that it's true and that you actually already do that. You don't even probably think about it. First off, what's the word square even mean? What's this called? X2'd? This is called x squared, isn't it? What's this called? X cubed, right? So square is a word for 2, isn't it? We know that. We use that all the time. Square is a word for 2. So when we say square roots, do you realize we're really saying 2 roots? Just like cube is 3. Square is 2. So square roots are 2 roots. So it's not a big surprise that it would be a 2-for-1 deal. The very word means 2. Square roots, 2 roots. So it makes sense it's a 2-for-1. It makes a little sense, but I want to make even more sense out of it. Not only that, think about what you already know about square roots. Like, what's the square root of 9? Well, it's 3. You know that, right? I'm not telling you anything you don't already know. Well, think about what just happened there. What was the breakdown of that 9? 2 3s. There were 2 3s inside, and how many 3s came outside? 1. You see, that's what we've been doing all along. You probably just never thought about it, right? You never stayed up late at night and said, hey, the square root of 9 is 3. That means 2 3s inside is 1 3 outside. That'd be weird for you to stay up late at night and think about that. That's what weird math teachers do, right? But that's why I'm here. I do that. That's why I'm here to help you see what's going on. That's what we've been doing all along. 2 3s inside leads to 1 3 outside. That's what we always do with square roots. That's why they're called square roots. They're 2 roots. They're 2-for-1 deal. So that's exactly what we do here. 2 3s inside, 1 outside. The other 2 has to stay inside because there's not 2 of them. There we go.